How to make money trading Forex. To make money trading Forex, there are basic steps you must pass through. In this video, we have prepared detailed information that is easy to understand and implement. Make money trading Forex in 6 steps. Here are the basic steps to take to make money in Forex trading. Step 1. Open a live Forex trading account. Select a broker to open a live trading account. This process can take as little as 5 minutes to complete. If you do not know which Forex broker is best for you, we recommend that you open an account with XM Global. Check the description of this video to find a link with instructions on how to open an XM Global account. Once you have a trading account, download your preferred trading platform from the broker's dashboard and connect the live account you have just opened. You can choose either MetaTrader 4 MT4 or MetaTrader 5 MT5. If you already have a verified account, skip to Step 2. Step 2. Deposit trading capital. Once your account has been verified, you are now able to transact on the account. Log into your new account and deposit trading capital. In Kenya, it is easy to deposit money on Forex brokers' platforms because many of them accept M-Pesa money transfer, which is the country's most convenient means of payment. Step 3. Analyze Forex chart. You can use different methods to analyze a Forex chart based on the type of trader you are. Such methods include the use of economic news events and technical charting tools. This is where you need chart analysis skills, so you don't feel overwhelmed. Most traders do not use their broker's charting tools. Instead, they opt for premium trading platforms with more advanced features such as TradingView. Step 4. Place trades. Once you have conducted your analysis, and you can determine whether to buy or sell a currency pair, open the MT4 or MT5 you connected your account to on your mobile device or PC. Click New Order at the top left corner of the trading platform if you use a PC. If you are using a mobile device, go to Quotes, click on the currency pair you analyzed, and then select Trade. Enter lot size in the volume field according to your account size, stop loss and take profit, then click Buy or Sell, depending on the results of your analysis. Step 5. Monitor running trade. Managing running trades is one of the best ways to help you limit the number of losses your trading account can incur in Forex. This process is not required, but it is necessary. You can manage running trades by moving stop loss to entry point when a trade is halfway in profits, closing the trade early if an economic event has messed up your setup, locking partial profits, or setting a trailing stop. Step 6. Exit trades. You can exit trades in Forex if your chart setup is invalidated or you no longer want to wait for more profits or losses. You can exit a running trade automatically by setting a stop loss and take profit or manually closing the trade. Spend time developing an efficient exit strategy, because this process is essential. Conclusion. I believe that now you know how to make money trading Forex. In the next video, we will learn the terms used in Forex trading. If you have any questions or compliments, I will be waiting for you in the comment box below.